let's take a look at the BTC dominance. The last time I posted the video about BTC dominance here in January 2026, it was the day, beginning of the January, the buy line for that time was 39.78. Now it's around 70%. So all lines, guys, like you remember, dynamic, and sooner or later we'll come back and test the buy line, like it was here in May 2021. So this was an euphoria on the altcoins, and it was a time to out of alts. Time to out of alts, I think still, this is the same altcoin zone we track, I guess, since, I don't know, 2023. The 3 years we track this zone, we track the BTC dominance. But the problem is, guys, the dominance going even higher on the take profit indicator with the take profit line. So this is a this is a buy line, and this is a take profit line. Of course, I don't think so. I don't know what should happen in the world. So all alts just scam it, and all liquidity just inflow directly only into BTC. So BTC dominance will go over than December 2020 to 79%. So I don't want to even imagine, but it's possible. Technically, guys, everything absolutely is possible in crypto. And anyway, sooner or later, we're going to retest this line or at least this block. That's why I will be not surprised, for example, if, let's say, November 2026, this is an amazing positive case scenario for altcoins holders. If, for example, the lines go higher and, I don't know, 45%, not 40, not 30, not 35, for example, we tested, I don't know, November, December 2026. Like this one direction. What will be with the price of BTC? It's hard to say, but if we'll see this type of direction, this will be no matter what altcoin do you hold, it's going to be the time to out of all altcoins. We retest the buy line, consolidate here, and go to the new upside move on a BTC dominance when the liquidity outflow from the alts into BTC again. If we double check the EMAs, guys, so this is a 50 EMA test. I think we're gonna see the really soon. It's 56.90. We just in the boring chop side, like 57, and we not count that week, like 57.61% since September 25. So definitely we should drop it here. Sweep this low. This is a like order flow. Of course, we can't say this is order flow about BTC dominance, but this is it. Of course, if it was like a basic coin, we should drop like this one and liquidate everybody who open longs. You know, this is the way. A buy line on the monthly now is here. It's 37. I don't think so. We're gonna test that low, but definitely I think we will test this zone on a weekly. Daily time frame, guys, it's almost the same, like 39, around 40%. So everything in play. A daily, I don't know, guys. This is looks like impulse sideways, should be impulse down, but we can come back and close the 50% of this week, like 61%. So if the BTC now rebound with a cat bounce to, I don't know, to 85 to 90K, maybe to the hundreds, if only if this year, yes, we can see once again the BTC dominance over than 60%. But I think we should go now past the 50 AMA on the monthly and the 56%, it's 200 AMA on a weekly. So this is it. Take profit lines, the zones I showed you. Let's double check, guys, with the other indicators, ADZ direction. This is not an accumulation zone. This was a distribution. So I hope we will not go higher, you know, like this one, and form another high on the BTC dominance and the warranty on ADZ. I hope not. So I think we just slowly but surely going down to the bottom, this, and it's will be the top for the alts. This is it. It was a time to fix the BTC, May 2025, June 2025, June 2025, and the BTC dominance going down. Now we are not in accumulation zone. The problem now is geopolitical and everything what's going on in the world, because the people People focus more on the metals like a gold, like a silver. No rush even in reinvest into BTC. Base it on the ADZ on the monthly time frame. I think we can drop it here anyway, just a matter of time, and the form the new low but high lows. This one on the ADZ. Let's go back to the markets mode, guys. It's still like a free time to sell. Alts will be once again when we crash down into the disbelief or the capitulation zone. So you remember it was a May 2021, the Shiba Inu listed on a Binance, everybody screaming we're going to the moon. And after that, it was the new highs on some assets, spring, autumn 2025, 2022, what I'm talking about. And 2021 here, and this is what the capitulation. So now, weekly time frame is disbelief. So anyway, I think we can go lower. Money power, guys. We don't see any money inflow into BTC now, and also no money inflow into BTC. No, all right, so we can close. And the last one indicator, guys, it's trade on weekly. We saw the signal to sell. So to stop selling, with a BTC and buying again, we need to see the take profit signal, at least like it was here, and a new signal to buy. That's why I wish to see the last time how it played out. So here, sell. It was the January 21, April 21 fixation, the profit. After that, drop and the euphoria on the alts. Now, let's add alerts. To trade on, take profit first. When we will see the take profit notification on the BTC dominance, it's going to be the first signal we're more than okay to fix some profit on the alts. After that, we need to wait the signal to buy. So it's time to out of the alts. Not maybe all of them, but most of them. We need to close positions, spot, and start buying the BTC. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in comment what you think about BTC dominance. Are we go over than 60% again? Or we gonna reach 79%? Or we go directly to the 45? And finally, gonna see the altcoin season. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.